Hello YouTube, welcome to Slack Productions. Today, we are here to create Jake Tyler. The famous son of Brad Tyler, the greatest, considered one of the greatest people in NFL. At 6'2", £185. This. Sorry guys, hang on. Sorry, stupid. Okay. Creating him, he looks fine. Drills. I'm balanced, and let's go to my combine to see how we do. A couple of things on Jake Tyler. Sophomore year, he started in 2015 of Week 2 for Auburn. They went 10-2. In his junior year, they went 14-0. He led them to the BCS championship, won the Heisman that year. His senior year, though, Week 2, injured, had a torn ACL, ended his career at Auburn. It was at a home game, too. And the coaches have doubts all around the world. They're not sure what they want to do. And his total numbers... Oh, actually, let me just do the 40-yard dash first. Oh. Crap. 5.63. Oh, crap. Looks like that leg isn't working very well for him. God, that is not at all what we expected. Oh God, let's do the bench press. We did 6 for the Bears. Alright. His total numbers at college, 18,234 yards, 187 total touchdowns, and 2K yards for running. Let's see how he does in the quarterback challenge. Avoiding the pocket pretty well. Looks like the Bears are kind of interested in him. It's a nice catch. Oh. Ooh, intercepted. Crap. Oh my God. The heck. Thank God. Can't catch the pass. Oh my God. God. Jake Slag is not having a very good day at all. Oh, but can't the receiver take that touchdown? Is that how we're going to end it? That's how we're going to end it. Oh God. This was not what anyone expected at all for Jake Tyler. I don't know. And this was the pre-combine stuff, just for the people to take a look at him. Overall, we're a 15. Oh my God. 78 speed. How's the throwing accurate? Oh God, this is... Thank you guys. Oh God. Let's get our first agent interview. Start interview. What is your favorite thing to do in your spare time? Let's play some video games. Pick one. Fame or fortune? I think winning is most important. Which NFL stadium are you most looking forward to playing at? Lambeau Field, definitely. How do you picture yourself in the NFL? As a hard worker, someone who puts that. Thank you. Yep, that was good. Let's go get our agent. Let's hire. Alright. Thank you guys and have a good day. Let's get this series at least 20 likes and I'll make the next video today. Thanks.